We have a nice little job today. When I did the first fix in this kitchen, I put these boxes here for under cabinet lights, and they are switched here. So that does those spots, that does those lights. That one's the end of the cabinet then, because that one does those spots. So that's the end of the cabinet there. So when I put that on, the two cables I've just shown you in there become live. So what we're going to do, we've got these Robus cold white lighting reels that stick on. We've got some profile, and then I'm going to hide the cable inside the cupboard behind that quadrant. Or I might even put the quadrant just there. And those boxes will come up inside the cabinet because the customer wants them out of sight. So let's get on with it. So there's the driver. There's no single installation on show. No cable on show at all actually. The junction is up behind the unit. And I've got this cable feeding the LED strip. Knock it on, please, Lewis. It's quite nice. Knock it off. The second light, the driver is concealed. The cable is concealed and filled over, just needs painting. I've used the trim to hold the cable there and some CT1. Because this step in the cupboard that the customer didn't want me to cut, I've flown it over and then short because it's just 1 meter long. I didn't want it going down there, but I think it looks better. And I can always trim it if he doesn't like it. But if you go down really low, you can't see the light when you stand in normal height. It's good. Same as this one. And then this one. As you can see, as nicely the cable is hidden there. It's point to put a trim off the cable because it will stand out even more. So in this property a couple months back, we've rewired it off. We've reconfigured the sockets in here, put them on the existing ring, junction above the ceiling, and we've introduced a new ring for the kitchen area. You can see all the sockets there. There's sockets there. We also put an outside light circuit here. See coming on there. We put a 4-gang light switch here. This first one does the spots in the kitchen. Second one does a pendant in the kitchen. Third one does the inter-cabinet lights, which we've just done now. And then the fourth one does the spots over the dining area. We also fitted a heat and carbon monoxide alarm there. Heat because obviously it's a kitchen, and carbon monoxide because the log burning stove is there. We've linked that to a smoke detector here, a smoke detector in the hall upstairs, and there's also one in the garage because there's solar panels above the garage ceiling, and there's the boiler up there as well. We've done our usual data trunking in here, and it's all labelled. Extractor fan, there's the hob, the 10mm cable, there's the oven, the 6mm cable, and there's also the fridge unit, which is in here. That's obviously on the ring, the fridge. So we finished the job. We don't need to come back here for this now, again. Hopefully other work in the future. We've also done a light there, and we've done these bathroom spotlights at the same time. And we've just done a light in the porch. Here we've used a Saxby Hero CCT. I took away the old crusty one that was there. Because I also want to change this switch in the future. Because it's all decrepit. When we're here in Gym Lock, we installed this Navitas board. And we've integrated an existing board that was here for solar with an old plastic wireless board, and for a new smoke lamp circuit. I've actually included in that an emergency light. So if you lose power, these got a bit of lights, you can see the consumer unit in the garage. We had Western Power out to change the old decrepit broken cutout, and we fitted this new fiberglass one on the old pelt cable. Spider made it home there already, look. The meter was here already, and we noticed a gas leak, and we had British Gas out here to cap this off and get rid of the pipe that was running through the wall and causing the smell of gas because it was leaking. I recommended my friend Jason. He came out and he installed this JD garage doors. If you need any row shutters, garage door work, he's the man. And now, since he's done it, this operates. One touch down on the button, because previously it was in dead man. So he installed a new wireless transmitter and a new receiver unit.